As conscious entrepreneurs, we navigate constant evolution. AI is no exception. Whether we like it or not, it's evolving fast, and at some point, it might even match or surpass certain human abilities. But instead of resisting this shift, what if we focus on the real question? How do we integrate AI in a way that actually supports our intuition, our creativity, and our conscious leadership? That's exactly what I wanted to share with you today. How AI has become a partner in my creative process, how it mirrors my own energy, and why I believe this isn't about losing our humanity but expanding it. So, welcome to the Awakened Entrepreneur podcast. I'm Valérie Demont, a healer for conscious entrepreneur and a mentor for conscious business. So let me tell you a little story. Last week, I was in a group of forward-thinking entrepreneurs, and I casually mentioned that I use AI to structure and challenge my book. Silence. Shock. Because many still think AI replaces creativity, but here is what I've learned. AI doesn't replace human inspirations, it refines it. Before, when I wanted to clarify an idea, I had to go through long, exhausting brainstorming sessions. And let's be real, sometimes asking for feedback just makes things messier because the people we ask aren't necessarily our ideal audience. Now, when I want to structure a concept, challenge a vision, or refine a message, I co-create with AI and ChatGPT. It's a fluid process, actually. It's different perspective, and most importantly, it sharpens my own intuitions. Someone in that group told me AI will just comfort you rather than challenge you. No, that's simply not true. I don't agree. AI acts the way we ask it to. It challenges me because I tell it to challenge me. It's a mirror, not an echo chamber. Here is something that might surprise you. Using AI hasn't distanced me from my intuition. If anything, it's strengthened it. AI suggests structure, but my intuition validates them. It helps me clarify my thought, but my energy gives life to the words. It accelerates the process, but my presence gives it meaning. Co-create with AI is not outsourcing my creativity, it's amplifying it. And I'll be honest, sometimes AI feels even more aligned than a human brainstorming session. Why? Because AI doesn't project doubts, fear, or limiting beliefs onto my ideas. It lets me explore multiple angles in 1 minute. It follows my flow without interruption, which for someone like me who works in inspiration cycles is invaluable. And I know I'm not alone in this. Have you ever left a brainstorming session feeling more confused than when you started? What if you could get instant clarity without filtering through someone else's perspective? That's exactly what AI allows me to do. It's fluid, it's efficient, and it frees up so much mental space for pure inspiration. Now, here is something that absolutely blew my mind. I spent a lot of time last year experimenting with Midjourney, an AI-powered image generator. And one day I noticed something strange. When I wasn't in alignment, when I was stressed, unfocused, or rushing, the images AI created were unsettling. Gargoyles, distorted faces, shadow where there shouldn't be any. And yet, I was using the exact same prompts, But when I was centered, aligned, clear in my intention, the visuals were beautiful. They captured exactly what I wanted to express. That's when I realized AI is not neutral. It reflects the energy we bring into it. If we use AI in urgency, doubt, or distraction, it won't serve us fully. But if we approach it with clarity, present, intention, intuition, it becomes a powerful tool for expansion. Our vibration influences everything, even digital tools. And for us, as conscious entrepreneurs, this is a crucial lesson. Our first responsibility isn't to fear technology. It's to strengthen our connection with our own energy. That's the foundation of everything. So let's be clear, AI is neither good nor bad. It's just a tool. What matters is how we use it. If we use AI to replace our thinking, we disconnect from ourselves. But if we use it as a mirror, a facilitator, a partner, it amplifies our power. And I'll tell you something even crazier. AI has actually been a pretty good coach for me. I've asked it to mix astrology, human design, and numerology to help me pinpoint what I needed to heal at the start of this year. And guess what? It gave me really insightful reflections, even suggesting energetic tools and healers based on what it already knew about me, so such as Kundalini Yoga, Kriya, Mantra, essential oils, and so on. Now, does that mean I replace human guidance with AI? Of course not. But does it mean AI is a fascinating tool for deeper self-exploration? Absolutely. We are stepping into a new area. The way we work, create, seek inspiration is evolving. What if AI isn't a threat to our humanity but a tool to express it more precisely? For me, AI has become a lever for present. It gives me time, but not just time to do more, time to be more, to integrate, to align, to rest, knowing that my job is done. And 2025, it's a 9-year numerology, the perfect time to let go of what limits us and expand our consciousness. So let's not resist the future. Let's shape it consciously, intentionally, powerfully. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you feel about co-creating with AI in your business? Have you experimented with using it in alignment with your intuition? Let's open the conversation. You can drop me a voice message on SpeakPipe or share your thoughts in the comments on Substack. And I'll see you soon.